Hello everyone on my YouTube channel Tubecast and welcome to our video on the Germany job seeker visa. In this video, we will be discussing what a German job seeker visa is, who needs to apply for it, the eligibility criteria and requirements for it, and the steps to apply for it. What is a Germany job seeker visa? A German job seeker visa is a visa issued to anyone who wants to find work in Germany. It allows you to stay in the country for a specific period, usually 6 months, and look for employment. If you manage to find employment within this time frame, you can then apply for a work visa and a residence permit. Who needs to apply for a Germany job seeker visa? If you are not a national of EU, EEA and Switzerland or a citizen of Australia, New Zealand, South Korea, Israel, Japan, Canada, and the USA, you need to apply for a job seeker visa. Eligibility criteria for a Germany job seeker visa. To qualify for a job seeker visa in Germany, you need to meet the following requirements. You are a third country national who needs a visa to enter the country. You have a minimum of 5 years of experience in your related profession. You have enough financial resources to support your stay in Germany. You have proof of completed academic or vocational training. Your qualifications are recognized in Germany or are equivalent to a diploma received in the country. Requirements for a Germany job seeker visa. You need to prepare several documents for your job seeker visa in Germany, including job seeker visa application form, valid passport, a copy identity picture as proof of accommodation, proof of financial means, evidence of valid health insurance, proof of academic qualifications, proof of degree recognition, your resume, cover letter. How to apply for a job seeker visa for Germany? To apply for a job seeker visa in Germany, you must follow the steps below. Find out if you meet the eligibility requirements. Locate your application office near from your area. Schedule an appointment. Prepare your documents. Pay the visa fee. Submit your application. Retrieve your visa. Enter the country. Conclusion. We hope that this video has provided you with useful information on the Germany job seeker visa, who needs to apply for it, the eligibility criteria and requirements, and the steps to apply for it. If you have any further questions or need more information, please feel free to leave a comment below. Like and share the video. Subscribe my YouTube channel Tubecast.